Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech AI. Today I'll tell you how to create a kill switch in Windows 10 to instantly cut your internet connection. Knowing how to create a kill switch in Windows could be a lifesaver if something suspicious happens on your internet-connected computer. In this guide, I'll explain how to create a kill switch in Windows using a special shortcut. This can be activated with a single mouse click or by pressing a keyboard shortcut to take you offline immediately should the need arise. You can also create a shortcut to reconnect to get back online once the panic is over. Let's dive in. Number 1. Create a shortcut. There's no inbuilt Windows option to create a kill switch. However, you can get around this by creating a shortcut that disables your network adapter and disconnects your PC from the internet. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Open the Windows 10 Settings app, either by clicking the Start button and clicking the Settings gear icon, or by pressing the Windows key +I on your keyboard. Step 2. When the Settings window opens, click Network and Internet. In the Network Status section on the right, note the name of the network adapter that's currently connecting your PC to the Internet. For wired connections, this should be Ethernet, and for wireless ones, Wi-Fi, though your exact adapter name may differ. Step 3. Close or minimize the settings box and right-click a blank area of your desktop. Select New, then Shortcut. When the Create Shortcut box opens, type the following into the Location box next to the Browse button. However, replace the XXXX with your network adapter name. For example, for an Ethernet connection, enter CR Windows R System 32.net sh.exe interface, set interface name, Ethernet admin, /disabled. If Windows isn't installed on your C drive, you'll need to change that drive letter too. Click Next and change the name of the kill switch shortcut to something more recognizable, such as Internet Off, Disconnect, or just plain old Kill Switch. Click Finish to confirm and create the shortcut, which will appear on your desktop. Don't click it yet, though. Number 2. Customize the shortcut. Once you've created your kill switch shortcut, you can customize it to look and work the way you want. Right-click your new shortcut and choose Properties from the context menu. When the Properties box opens, click Change Icon. You'll now see a message saying that the file contains no icons. Click OK to dismiss this, and a Change Icon box will open. Select a suitable icon to use for your kill switch shortcut, such as an off button or no entry sign, then click OK. Back in the Properties box, you can create a keyboard shortcut for your kill switch in case you're unable to click its icon when panic strikes. Click within the Shortcut key box and press the keys you want to use. Note that Windows may try to complete the shortcut for you. Click Apply to save your chosen key combo. Finally, because turning off a network adapter requires administrator privileges, you'll need to tweak your kill switch accordingly. Click the Advanced button and check the box to Run as Administrator. Then click OK. Click OK to save the changes to your kill switch. You can now drag and pin the shortcut to your taskbar for easy one-click access. However, refrain from clicking it yet. You'll first need to create a reconnect switch. Number 3. Create a reconnect switch. Once you've used your kill switch to disconnect from the internet, you'll next need to know how to reconnect after the emergency is over. Prepare for this by creating another shortcut that gets you back online. Right-click on the desktop, click on New, and select the shortcut from there. Now type the following in the Location box. C Windows.System32.net sh.exe interface, set interface name, Ethernet admin. Enabled, I've written these 2 keys in the description, so you could just copy them from there. Again, replace the XXXX with the name of your network adapter, along with the letter of your hard drive if necessary. Name the shortcut Reconnect, Internet On, or something similarly recognizable, then click Finish to create it. As explained in the previous section, you can customize the shortcut's icon by right-clicking it and choosing Properties, then Change Icon. Choose a suitable icon such as a power on button or a green check mark. You can also set up a keyboard shortcut for the reconnect switch in the same way as before. Don't forget to grant administrator access too by clicking Advanced and selecting that option. Click OK to save your settings and exit the Properties box, then optionally pin the new shortcut to your taskbar. Number 4. Test your kill switch. Finally, you should make sure your kill switch works properly so you can disconnect from the internet immediately when disaster strikes. Here's how to test the shortcut, as well as how to quickly get back online if your reconnect shortcut fails. To test that your kill switch works, either double-click its icon on your desktop or click its icon on the taskbar if you pinned it there, or use your chosen keyboard shortcut. A user account control prompt will open, asking if you're sure you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. This warning adds an extra step to your kill switch, but it also prevents you from triggering it accidentally. Click Yes to continue. Your kill switch will now disable your network adapter and terminate your internet connection. To enable the adapter again, just click or double-click your reconnect icon or use its keyboard shortcut. If something goes wrong and you can't get back online using your shortcut, don't panic. Just go to Settings, Network and Internet and select Change Adapter Options. Double-click your network adapter to re-enable it and reconnect to the internet. Now you're all prepared to quickly cut your internet connection when something worrying occurs on your PC. That's all. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.